Hi, this is Abby Jo at Forgotten Way Farms, and today I am accepting the 40K challenge share your favorite video from Jess at Roots and Refuge. First, I want to talk about Jess. I just really am motivated by Jess in so many different ways. She is just an amazing, vibrant gal that really loves the Lord, and I really appreciate her view on things, especially the garden and homesteading life. I'm also going to be talking to you about my favorite video and even why I'm doing YouTube. So about 3 or 4 years ago, my husband and I did a handful of videos on YouTube, but got busy with everyday life and pretty much didn't touch our channel again. So in like the last year, we started toying around with the idea of getting back on YouTube and sharing our lives. We bought 20 acres and we thought, well, why don't we start getting that camera out and showing people what we do and just talking about food and homesteading and cozy living. And so we started doing that, but it wasn't until actually I saw Jess this summer when she had 12,000 subscribers. I saw her grow from 12,000 to now she actually hit 50K, which is above the 40K that she was even going for. So I was really excited to do this. I'm doing this video a little late, but I just wanted to do it and to be able to just also give a shout out to her because she's pretty amazing, and just seeing that if she can do it, anyone can do YouTube if they put their heart to it. One of the reasons my husband and I really wanted to do YouTube was when we were homesteading about 10 years ago. We started living off grid, and for 5 years we lived off grid, learned how to cook on a wood cook stove, grew almost all our own food, and we didn't document any of it. And now we kind of kick ourselves because it was such a cool learning experience, and we just let that go, and we really would have liked to be able to show and share people along the way. We sold that property and moved into town in order to put our money into an investment and build our money up so we could buy 20 acres. That was our goal. We really wanted to get a 20-acre homestead, and so we worked in that process in town, and during that process we did permaculture gardens and did a little blogging here and there, and then we moved into a fifth wheel and lived in a fifth wheel for 8 months while we were looking for land, and now we've landed on our 20-acre homestead. My favorite video is probably going to be the kitchen remodel that we recently did, because I really believe that food is like one of the biggest things on a homestead. We're homesteading to grow good food, to cook good food, and so for us the kitchen is a really important part of the home and part of the homestead. And also I love how my husband and son did the little dance in the video when they were spray painting my kitchen table. So that is definitely my favorite video right now. I'll put a link in the description to that video. And a big shout out and thanks to the homesteading community, and thank you for Jess at Roots and Refuge for hosting this. And we make a new video every week on adventures in simple, cozy living, and food from scratch. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for stopping by the homestead.